Well, the storyline of Layla revolves around Layla and Leeds. It's part love story and part paranormal romance. In this book, Layla meets Leeds in her sister's wedding, and they connect just immediately. They fall in love, and after the relationship of 2 months, something happens. Layla got into a bizarre accident due to which she has lost her mental stability. So Leeds decides to take her to the very place where they met. At that place, they find some things weird that were totally weird, and they find that there is a woman. A woman is there, and Leeds connects to that woman. And just, I will not try to give any spoilers, but in that novel, Leeds distracts from Layla and connects more prominently to the woman. Colleen Hoover is a very nice author. I have read almost 14 books of her, and like every novel, this novel is not just romance. It is much more than a love story. It is much more than romance, and it has an fascinating aura about this book that I was not able to put this book down. I finished this book in one night. The thing that I liked the most about this book was that it has a love story which is not in the realms of the world. It takes us somewhere else, the place that doesn't even exist. I will say, if you are searching for a book, be it romance, be it paranormal, be it sci-fi, whatever book you are searching for, just go for it. It is the best book, I would suggest. When this book came, I literally had no idea and no preconceived notion in my mind what it would be like, because after Verity, I just lost the track of the genre that Colleen Hoover will bring. But this book is much more different than any other books of Colleen Hoover, because it has, it is creepy. In the first half of this book, it has creeped me out. I was literally searching for someone in my room, like there is someone in my room and that will come and pull off the blanket or something, but this book creeped me out at first. It is not a ghost that is really, really scary, but that is ghost. That is ghost. Ghost is scary. So the difference is that Colleen Hoover has never wrote anything like ghost or paranormal. It was about, romance usually, but after Verity was romance thriller. It is paranormal romance. It is totally different. Yes, the similar thing is that the characters just connected immediately. There was no sparkling fire between them. It was just immediate pull between the characters. That is the main thing that is same. The difference is that it is a ghost story. It is past ghost and part romance. Yes. The characters and the plot of the book. Well, the main characters are Layla, that is the female character, and that is the book of the name too. And the male character is Leeds. Well, I would say that Layla is a very happy soul kind of person. She's someone who is always happy and always looking out for things and always finding happiness in things. She is a nice person, I would say. But when it comes to Leeds is also a nice person, but the thing that I found weird is that he has no aim in his life. Like, without giving any spoilers, I would just say that he has no aim in his life. But he totally loves Layla. Yeah. And the plot of Layla, well, it revolves around paranormal stuff. The plot of Layla is something that is very catchy. If you start reading this book at first, you are not able to put this book down. You cannot put this book down, and it just, it's like mystery. It is fantasizing, but there is very unexpected conclusion of the book. The plot of book is mystery, like there is mystery, there is some fascination, there is romance, there is ghost, and there is much more. But after there is an unexpected conclusion. The less you know about this book, the better the book is. I don't think that there is a need for the recommendation. I would really suggest this book to. It's a big yes. Yes, I suggest this book to everyone. Like if you are into any genre, just go read this book. It is for everyone. You will definitely like this book. Thank you for watching the video, and if you have liked the video, please press the like button below, and please subscribe to our channel and comment the thoughts that you have on the book and on our review video. And if you want any other book, if you want to know about any other book, the review of any other book and the audiobook of any other book, just let us know. The audiobook of Laila is available on our channel. Thank you so much.